Out with the old and in with the new. The IEC will soon be introducing a new system that is dubbed as a game changer within the Commission's registration framework. In the 2019 national elections, there were allegations of voters who were able to cast more than one vote at the polls. Officials say the new online system will ensure that such incidents do not occur. It will allow them to capture voters' addresses and verify them against their respective wards.
On election day, the voter management device will be operating online to check whether a person has voted elsewhere. And if indeed a person has already voted, it will give a message to say this person has already visited the voting station elsewhere. So it will also minimize the allegations of people having voted twice in the election. So it's an innovation that tries to increase the integrity of the process, perceived integrity of the process. So it's quite important.
The IEC's budget has been slashed by a whopping 35 million rand due to the COVID-19 pandemic. But Mamabolo believes this won't affect the work of the Commission.
We have had to adjust our projects, some of which have had to be curtailed because of the budget cuts. But we've done so without negating the scope of the functions that must be performed. So there won't be any function that is not performed owing to budget cuts. What have been curtailed is the depth and the scale of operations rather than functions not being attended to at all.
Due to the budget constraints, the Commission will hold only one voter registration weekend as opposed to the usual two.
There'll be one voter registration weekend ahead of the election. The Commission is considering dates for that. As soon as decisions are made as to when that will be, a public announcement will be made by the Commission.
Voters are reminded to adhere to all COVID-19 regulations, including physical distancing, wearing a mask and using hand sanitizers. Natasha Phiri, SABC News, Johannesburg.